Hi guys, in this video I'm going to discuss on addition and subtraction of similar rational algebraic expressions. In adding and subtracting similar rational algebraic expressions, we're going to use the rules in adding and subtracting fractions. So we're going to add or subtract the numerators and just copy the denominator. So for example number 1, x squared minus 3x plus 5 over x squared minus 9 plus 4x minus 11 over x squared minus 9. So what we're going to do here is we're going to add the numerators, x squared minus 3x plus 5 plus 4x minus 11 over, copy the denominator, x squared minus 9. Then combining similar terms here or like terms, you have here negative 3x and 4x and 5 and negative 11. So we're going to copy x squared. Then negative 3x plus 4x is x, so plus x. Then 5 minus 11 is negative 6 over x squared minus 9. Then what we're going to do next is we're going to factor the numerators and denominators to be able to find if there are terms that can be cancelled out. So in here, the factors of x squared plus x minus 6 is x plus 3 times the quantity of x minus 2. So 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. 3 plus negative 2 is the numerical coefficient of x, which is 1. And the denominator here, x squared minus 9, this is x plus 3 times the quantity of x minus 3. Then you have here x plus 3 in the numerator and x plus 3 in the denominator, so we can simply cancel out these terms here. Then our answer will be the remaining terms, x minus 2 for the numerator and x minus 3 for the denominator. Then number 2, 3 over x minus 2 plus 5 over x minus 2. So we're going to have here 3 plus 5 over the denominator x minus 2. 3 plus 5 is 8 over x minus 2. Number 3, x squared plus 3x plus 4 over x squared minus 2x plus 1 minus 5x plus 3. So we're going to subtract the numerators and copy the denominator. So we're going to have here x squared plus 3x plus 4, then minus 5x plus 3. So 5x here will become negative 5x. Then 3 here will become negative 3. This is over x squared minus 2x plus 1. Then this is equal to x squared, then 3x minus 5x is negative 2x. And 4 minus 3 is 1, so plus 1 over x squared minus 2x plus 1. So x squared minus 2x plus 1 over x squared minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 1. Then number 4, x squared plus 5x minus 20 over 3x squared plus x minus 2 minus negative 10 minus 6x minus 5x squared over 3x squared plus x minus 2. So the same process, we're going to have x squared plus 5x minus 20. Then negative of negative 10 is plus 10. Negative of negative 6x is plus 6x. The negative of negative 5x squared is positive 5x squared over 3x squared plus x minus 2. Then combining like terms, x squared plus 5x squared, this is 6x squared. And 5x plus 6x is 11x. The negative 20 plus 10 is negative 10 over 3x squared plus x minus 2. Then factor the numerator and the denominator. We're going to have the factor of 6x squared plus 11x minus 10 is 3x minus 2 times the quantity of 2x plus 5. Then this is over the factor of 3x squared plus x minus 2 is quantity of 3x minus 2 times the quantity of x plus 1. Then cancel out the similar terms in the numerator and denominators. We are going to cancel 3x minus 2 and 3x minus 2. So our answer here will be 2x plus 5 over x plus 1. I hope this video helped you. If you have questions about the topic, please comment down below and see you next time.